bolt there.
Yep.
Well, and there's 2 up there, right? You unbolt those 6 bolts, the back half of the car is now separable from the frame.
Yep.
It's just not gonna go anywhere. And as far as these panels are concerned, when we pull this together with a series of butterfly clamps, we're gonna have this in the exact same position. This panel will be in the exact same position as this one. And when we have a continuous weld that we grind away, if it's done right, you shouldn't be able to tell. We're not professionals here, we're hacks, all right? I don't weld, I spatter. So, that's just, there it.
Wait a minute.
You need to be kinder to yourself, okay?
Yes.
Oh no, you've seen my welds.
Your welds are not pretty.
They're not pretty. So, along those.
But he talks shit about my welds, but I'm like, at least they don't have holes in them.
Hey, yours look like duck snot.
Depends what I'm welding.
That's true. Anyway, where was I? I lost my train of thought. If this is done right, you can't tell the panel's been replaced.
Okay, cool.
And it'll be pretty close to that. It really will. It should be, at least. It might be. Oh, we're screwed. Go ahead. Let's start cutting.
All right. Who wants to be? Here, you can be cameraman. This is weird. Chuck's filming me.
I've got to get a close-up.
It's like I should unbutton my shirt or something. Like, where's the casting couch?
Don't touch me.
Don't touch me.
You started it.
Is the switch on? Can I say about yay in?
Less than that. The width of the blade.
Okay, so I'll go like right about there.
Let me see.
You think there?
Yeah, perfect. Perfect. That'll be perfect.
Okay. We're going to cut up some stuff.
Is that left-handed?
It's both-handed.
Nope.
Just a hair. Yep.
Nope.
Yep.
Nope.
Yep.
Okay, fine.